At Uncle Bomboclaat.
Look you! Look at bomboclaat this morning!
Baby shark, baby shark.
Oh, you know what I'm man? Tell them man, go in the business man. Buck up in the war with you bumbo rasta!
You buck up your pussy ass.
Look you!
But suck yourself when you juke me here, man.
Look you man! Look you! Look at bomboclaat this morning!
Can you ugly man? What am I ugly man?
I bet you can buck up with blood clot.
Broke Mose no? Broke Mose if you bad. Broke Mose if you bad no?
Go on your rasta business man. Go on with all house man. All me man.
Come on,
Now place.
What am I ugly man? Scare movie pass.
Something can buck up with blood clot in my hand.
Broke Mose you see. Broke Mose if you bad no?
You see me play a pussy one and play a bumbo rasta now. Go on your business man.
You want some pussy.
Go pussy. Love me man.
Pussy you want. You nah fuck a fuck. You nah fuck a fuck.
I feel your pussy clot house.
You nah fuck a fuck.
You see go down the street man. Go and love me man.
More content down in the fall. You can't take this time uncle.
What you mean?
So to when Tifa was gone?
All the white people ain't pick him up.
Oh.
Yeah.
And he got prison.
He got prison.
Blood clot prison.
Yeah.
He never
And
born
he no
yet.
So he got prison for two?
Prison. He got prison for
And you no
ganja.
ganja man. Stop tell lie man, cockroach man. Stop tell lie man.
You did that, me you go.
Me never born that time.
You so the blood clot, you
Alright.
people.
Just like come in was a Pele. Just like come in was a Pele win 2 World Cup. Me not born when Pele win World Cup.
No, but it didn't in history.
Yeah.
You have to know history too.
What you mean?
I hear me fuck.
Fear if you can't tell me how much that. You hear me? The granddad fear if you can't tell me how much that. How much that, Lodi? How much that? Tell me how much that, man. The bomboclaat, me say granddad fear if you can't tell me, man. The $1,000 that fear if you can't tell me how much, man.
Oh God.
Bumbo blood clot. Boy, I'm sorry for this blood clot, yeah, man. Me not tell you like a pussy clot. All me tell you, man, says a grand. Boy, me tell you to
Me nah use me heart again. Cause me find out say me heart fragile easy if it broke. So me use me wood cause that raw stiff.
Yeah, use your wood for do what?
belly bottom. No jam up belly bottom. After me heart nah turn up and me wood dey turn up, so me tell you. And me using me wood. So me nah no mercy. So nobody way the I and they say take time that no in on me. Can not take time no there so cause this heart yeah. I wood they use. No and the wood no care. So nobody tell me they take time no.
What do you mean would not carry art? So you're going to woman to pay for your mistake when you're not sitting there like you got come from prison.
Nobody now have to pay for nothing.
Like
You see, everybody they enjoy themselves. I am enjoying myself. You do what you like, me do what me like. Okay.
Me love you. If you come to clubbing, you come to Maga. Don't take me simply, yeah? I'm telling you this. Go on your every time that me and me fatty walking, see a bad man talking. I talk about she too fat and the rest too slim. How me I go handle that thing? Again, every time that me and me fluffy walking, bad man people talking. I talk about she too fat and the rest too slim. Then say how me I go handle that. Hear them no look on the natty there. You think you can handle the fatty there. They want me see when me attack it there. Me take electric eel, shot it there. Yo, but it's a rat me no grumpy. I know lay my weak like grumpy. When me under me weed and a tampy. Some fire like me bite, cranky. When me don't she take me hood and she tanky. She give me money, she say rasta go banky. You know you better than the boy named Frankie. She said me carrying the size of a donkey. Every time.
Hey, send me insane and you think said the demon running in vain. Tell me what you're saying and you think me insane. A Colombian demon giving you pain. Hey, I'll be giving you straight. Really and truly where you wait. And them boy they know me now way. No, something and pass me the AK. Hey boy, you don't know always take. Big from my love and me gone up a bed. Up a bed. You want more? Subscribe to the never catching up. What you need? Tell me where you begin. Anywhere you leave from it, tell them no feel like. Smoke weed and one cigarette. You are telling me saying you're not stressed.
Me believe you want me believe. And when you tell me about something again.
Me go wash up or something, me forget. I one thing you can do. Oh!
Ready.
Yeah, better than that.
There you go.
You love rhythm.
What am I saying to him?
Different rhythm again. But me like it. Me like rhythm.
See the. Oh! Give me. Oh! Give me. Oh! Give me. Hey! Watch it bounce now. Come watch it bounce now.
Only the demon fly without leather. Only the demon fly without feather.
Only the demon walk on wire and me GPS war I eat.
Doing this me, the God for the gun.
And for the soup
And the start to become. See JPS for the corner come. Me put it up, but them come it down. Up on the post and police a come. Sing up on the fire, don't put it down. Stick me up here, say, boy, do I run?
everybody does the music.
It's no me do it now. J-U-T-C. Listen you and me. Listen what me preach. I want me to sing there. So me stop up, wait. Everybody know it. I got the fire dog in it. I know it never hard in it. I know it. Notification button, like, subscribe, follow me, belly. Straight now.
Come on, only.
So how old is that, Tommy?
She got 3 years old now.
What's your name?
Sky.
So what your last name?
Waterfront.
What your last name?
But I need to tell me your last name.
So what your last name?
What
My
your
last
last
name is Margaret.
So what your daughter last name?
Ah, wait.
No. Yo, you go viral today, you know.
She named Sky. In the next one, my name is Moon.
So mama want to look a pussy because she not tell your daughter last name. A girl they want to look a pussy.
You know what about the next pick? When next pick your name?
He said when the next pick you bad, my name is Moon.
Look on this a good man. Look on this a good man and he have his daughter and daughter and he about 3. And the woman not tell the man his daughter last name. That's how we rate that girl I had.
Hey, man.
You know what me telling your daughter last name, me not gonna tell you because me don't know your daughter. What tell you? On TikTok. Anybody know that man your last name, you see? A man your daughter last name tell you, because we know film last name. Film last name is Morgan. So come in the comments and tell me in daughter last name. I'm out.
Watch out, my people. One of my friends just don't drink a goat soup. Watch out. Watch your goat teeth. Rotten your fuck. Goat now brushing teeth. Yeah, man, a bacteria this one. Then think you have a blood clot drink. Goat teeth rotten your fuck. I goat gum them boil. The blood clot this.